Okay guys, so I'm gonna be making a little punch. What I don't want to call it, peanut punch, dragon punch, anything you don't want to call it. I make today. So I'll be using banana, them two little banana here, them firm still but show me the rest of them in the fridge. Cause I live in Portmore and Portmore is very hot. So I have to put most things in the fridge if I don't want them to go bad. So my banana, this is my peanut that has been soaking, almond, rose and almond. I have vanilla, Irish moss, supplegen of course. I'm gonna use little almond milk. Maybe if I don't have enough liquid, I will use the almond milk to add to the liquid. I'm gonna be using my dragon stout, of course. Gonna be using a little Quaker oats. Yeah. Betty milk for sweetening. I also have salt, cinnamon powder. These are the ingredients I'll be using to make my punch. Guys, tell me in the comment section if I leave out anything that you would add to yours to make it nice, because I'm open to suggestions. But this is what I use most of the time and I love it. My man love it, and you know it go from him, love it, everything good. So leave in the comment section what else I can add to enhance the taste of my punch. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make it. It's easy. Everything that I go throw in the blender, mix up, boop, 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 and that's it. So let's go. So guys, the first thing I'll be adding to my blender is my oats. The reason being is because sometimes when you add the peanut first, the peanut tends to stick at the bottom of the blender. Chopping at the little hole them at the blender. So I add my oats first. Add in my oats. Yep. And guys, I not make too much, so I not add too much oats. After I add my oats, I'm gonna peel my bananas. I already washed my bananas. I'm gonna add my bananas to this. Guys, if you don't hear the noise there, at the rubbish truck I blow and I make be nice. I want to do a real life voice instead of a voice over. So excuse the rubbish truck. I'm going to drain off my peanuts. Oops, some of them throw away, guys, but that's okay. Add in my peanuts, guys. When you sort the peanut, it makes it a lot softer, and also Okay, my lovely people, see we here now. It's all blended. Let me show you how it look. Everything blend out. I'm gonna show you my hand clean and my food. This is how it looks. And my food, so I can put my hand in it and my man eat it. Yeah, so see it? You see how you see the texture of it? This is how smooth it is. But see some people I make this and them strain it. Why would I want to strain it? This is a peanut punch. Peanut and oats punch. Why would I want to strain it? Like a long water you want to drink. Why would I strain it? Anyway, to each his own. Let's go. So, cinnamon. I love cinnamon, guys. I absolutely love the taste of cinnamon. So I add the cinnamon and I'm gonna use my whisk to whisk it out. Okay, you know sometimes cinnamon tends to get lumpy. So I use my whisk and I whisk it out. Look there, guys. You know see how this thick? You don't want to water and strain out, but yeah, strain out. Like what the hell? I'm gonna add my dragon stout. May I add everything, guys. One buckle. I want it for strong. I'm gonna add the rum in it anyway. And I'm stirring it up to make sure everything is all incorporated. Guys, make sure I add this before. Make you see. You see this? If you not add this in on the punch not go nice. If you not add this in the punch, as you don't drink the punch on the belly, I go start hurt, you know. Salt. Add salt. It is the main, it's the simplest ingredient, but it's the main ingredient. Stir up your punch. Stir it up again, yeah? Guys, I don't want my punch too watery. I don't want it to be too watery. I'm adding my almond essence. And guys, I don't really measure things, you know. I just throw until I revise it. Tap. Yeah. Vanilla. And last but not least, my condensed milk. Can't find my tin cutter, so I use what I have. I'm gonna put all of the condensed milk, guys, because I don't want it to be too sweet. I'm stirring this nicely. Stirring it in nicely. You hear the rubbish truck I make be nice. I make my video. Guys, we must get baby tonight. Why? I'm gonna taste it there. I'm gonna taste it and see how white one. This is perfect for me. Perfect. Absolutely perfect. So now, guys, I'm gonna throw it out in my little container and I'm gonna put it to chill in the fridge until later. Little bit left back in this. I can put little ice on it and drink it now. Yeah, guys. So, and that's it. That is it, guys. That is it, guys. You're gonna put this to chill and enjoy. Put this to chill and enjoy. But guess what, guys? Guess what I'm gonna do for you guys? I'm gonna throw a little on a little ice and bake. Hold on. Guys, this is the finished drink. Now you're gonna put your drink to chill and you're gonna enjoy it when it's chilled. Your big back friend can't wait till it chills, so she put little ice in a cup and I'm gonna drink it right now. Delicious.